How to fix internet not working on your iPhone. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, these quick fixes may solve the problem. First, open Settings. If you're using Wi-Fi, turn Wi-Fi off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. If it still doesn't work, tap the icon next to your Wi-Fi network, select Forget this network, then reconnect by entering your password again. Next, go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it. Go to Settings and turn off VPN if it's enabled. You can also go to General, VPN, and Device Management and remove any VPN profiles you no longer use. If the issue continues, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Still not fixed? Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Your saved Wi-Fi networks will be removed, so you'll need to reconnect afterward. After completing these steps, your internet connection should be working again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.
I want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes.